In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Jotform for education using Claude AI. Start by going to Jotform and signing into your account. Once you are inside your dashboard, open Claude AI in your browser as well. Having both tools ready will make the process smooth and quick. Next, decide what kind of education form you want to create. This could be a student registration form, an assignment submission form, a quiz, a feedback form, or an attendance tracker. It is important to be clear about your goal before generating the form, because that will help Claude AI create a more useful structure. Once you know your use case, go to Claude AI and enter this prompt exactly. Create an education form directly in my Jotform account with structured sections for student information, course details, and submission or response fields. Make it clear, organized, and ready to use. After submitting the prompt, give Claude AI a moment to generate the form. Then return to Jotform and look for the newly created form in your account. Open it and review the layout carefully to make sure the structure matches your needs. From there, you can add any education-specific fields that are missing. For example, you may want to include student name, student ID, class or subject, file upload fields for assignments, quiz questions, or attendance checkboxes. These details will depend on the type of form you are building. Once the right fields are in place, organize the form so it flows logically. A good format is to begin with student information, then move into course details, and finish with response or submission sections. This helps keep the form easy to follow for students, teachers, or administrators. Next, customize the form by editing field labels, adding clear instructions, and marking important fields as required. This improves accuracy and makes the form easier to complete. After that, open the form settings. Here you can enable notifications, apply grading logic if you are building a quiz, and connect integrations such as Google Drive or spreadsheets to manage responses more efficiently. Before sharing the form, preview it and test the full submission process. Make sure every section works correctly and that the experience is clear from start to finish. When everything looks good, publish the form and share it using a link, email, or by embedding it into a learning portal. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.